Preparing vegetables is a daily ritual in kitchens around the world, a simple act that brings fresh flavors and nutrition to our meals. But as we slice, dice, and peel, we're left with a colorful pile of scraps, bits and pieces that seem destined for the bin. Most of us toss these leftovers away without a second thought, not realizing the value we're discarding. Those carrot peels, cabbage leaves, and onion skins aren't just waste. They're actually a hidden treasure trove for your garden, packed with nutrients and potential. Imagine for a moment the mountain of organic matter that's discarded every single day in kitchens everywhere. Enough to fill landfills, but also enough to transform gardens. Instead of feeling guilty or relying solely on compost bins, there's a more direct, hands-on way to use these scraps, by turning them into a powerful, homemade liquid feed for your plants. This process isn't just about reducing waste, it's about creating something wonderful and nourishing from what would otherwise be thrown away. The nutrients that your vegetables drew from the soil to grow can be returned, helping the next generation of plants thrive even more vibrantly. It's a beautiful, circular process, kitchen to garden and back again, a cycle that keeps giving season after season. By participating in this cycle, you become more than just a consumer. You become a custodian of nature's balance, actively nurturing the earth that feeds you. So, next time you're left with vegetable offcuts, don't see them as a problem to be solved, but as an opportunity to give back to your garden and the planet. This is the start of making a rich homemade fertilizer that costs nothing but a little time and care. No fancy equipment, just your kitchen scraps and a bit of patience. Feed your garden with the very essence of what you feed your family, closing the loop and enriching your soil naturally. Let's unlock this hidden potential together, turning what was once destined for landfill into liquid gold for your soil, and watching your plants flourish as a result. It's a simple, honest, and deeply rewarding practice that connects you to the rhythms of nature and the food you grow. Ready to see your kitchen scraps in a whole new light? Let's begin this journey together, and discover the hidden treasure waiting in your bin. Your garden will thank you, and so will the planet. Every vegetable plant stores vital nutrients throughout its structure, from the deepest roots to the tenderest leaves. These nutrients are the result of months of sunlight, water, and the earth's patient work, all coming together to create the food we enjoy. Yet we often focus only on the parts we eat, overlooking the hidden value in what we throw away. Discarding those scraps is like throwing away gold. Nutrients the earth provided are lost to landfill or down the drain. Each peel, stem, and core is packed with the very elements that made the plant thrive in the first place. These scraps are packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, essential building blocks for healthy soil and robust plants. Ironically, these are the same elements you pay for in commercial plant food, often packaged and shipped from far away. Why buy what you already have in your kitchen? Every carrot top and onion skin is a resource waiting to be used, not wasted. By harnessing these scraps, you save money, reduce waste, and work with nature instead of against it. Composting is a simple act, but its impact is profound. The soil isn't infinite, it needs to be replenished. Years of harvesting can leave it tired and depleted, unable to support new growth without help. Returning nutrients from your kitchen scraps completes a vital loop, restoring what was taken and giving back to the earth that sustains us. Feed the soil that feeds your plants and in turn, feeds you. This cycle is the heart of a thriving garden and a healthy ecosystem. It's a simple act of reciprocity, a thank you to the earth, a way to honor the connection between gardener, plant, and soil. This isn't just about fertilizer, it's about nurturing your garden's foundation, building resilience for seasons to come, and fostering life in every handful of soil. Let's put those scraps to work, transforming what was once waste into nourishment for tomorrow's harvest. Making your own liquid feed at home is surprisingly easy. No fancy equipment or special tools required. Anyone can do it, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. Begin with a sturdy container that has a tight-fitting lid. Keep it somewhere convenient, like your kitchen counter or near the sink, so it's always within reach. As you prepare meals, save your vegetable scraps, carrot tops, cabbage leaves, broccoli stalks, onion skins, and even those wilted greens you might otherwise toss. Every bit adds value. The more diverse your mix of scraps, the more balanced and nutrient-rich your homemade fertilizer will become, giving your plants a wider range of essential minerals. Pour in enough water to completely cover the scraps. This helps extract the nutrients and starts the process of turning kitchen leftovers into garden gold. Make sure everything stays submerged under the water. This not only aids fermentation but also keeps mold from forming on the surface. Secure the lid tightly after each addition. This helps contain any odors and keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. Over the next few days, keep adding new scraps as you cook and top up with water as needed. This ongoing process lets you make the most of every bit of kitchen waste. There's no need to chop the scraps finely. Rough chunks work just as well and save you time. As the days pass, you'll notice the water changing color, becoming darker as it draws out nutrients from the scraps. This is the magical transformation in action. In just a short time, you're turning everyday kitchen waste into a powerful homemade elixir for your garden. It's simple, effective, and incredibly satisfying to see your plants thrive from your own efforts. Once your container is full, fermentation begins. Place it in a cool, dark spot, garage, utility room, or shady corner outside. Let it steep for about a week to 10 days. Burp the container every couple of days to release gas buildup. You'll notice an earthy, sour aroma. This means it's working. When ready, strain the liquid into another container. The dark, tea-like liquid is your finished fertilizer. Don't toss the solids. Add them to your compost or dig them into the soil. Every part of the scrap returns to the earth, enriching your garden. The cycle is complete. Your liquid fertilizer is potent. Never use it undiluted. Dilute 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. The result should look like weak tea. Use a watering can to apply, stirring well. Water the soil around the base of your plants, not the leaves. Early morning or evening is best to reduce evaporation. Feed weekly during the growing season for best results. You'll see lusher foliage, stronger stems, and more flowers or vegetables. For potted plants, this regular feeding is especially important. It replenishes nutrients and keeps them thriving. Your plants will show their gratitude. Stick to raw vegetable and fruit scraps. Never add cooked food, oils, meat, fish, or dairy. Avoid large amounts of citrus or very sugary fruits. Balance is key. Don't add diseased plant material to prevent spreading pathogens. A tight lid keeps odors and pests at bay. If concerned about smells, keep the main bucket outside and use a smaller container indoors. Adding a handful of soil or compost can help with odor and introduce good microbes. Make sure your container is secure from wildlife. Follow these simple rules for a clean, odor-free process. It's safe, straightforward, and yields fantastic results. Your garden will thrive with this homemade resource. Transforming kitchen waste into garden gold is simple and rewarding. It closes the loop, turning meal remnants into new growth. This isn't just a technique, it's a mindset shift. Start small, grab a jar, collect your scraps, and see the difference. You'll reduce waste, improve your soil, and enjoy healthier plants. It's resourceful, sustainable, and deeply satisfying. Making your own liquid feed is a quiet act of rebellion against waste. Imagine your garden, lush and vibrant, all thanks to your homemade tonic. This is something you can start today. All it takes is a bucket, water, and a new perspective. Give it a try. Your garden and the planet will thank you. Happy gardening.